Artificial intelligence, AI, is as common as the air we breathe, permeating every corner of our daily lives. It's in the way your smartphone predicts your next word as you type out a text message. It's in the car you drive, assisting with navigation and safety features. It's even in your workplace, streamlining tasks and improving efficiency. This omnipresent technology, silently and subtly, has become an integral part of our routine. But what exactly is this AI, and what are its different types? The most common type of AI is narrow AI, designed to perform specific tasks. Imagine a highly skilled specialist, a virtuoso in their field, but only that field. That's what narrow AI is like. It's designed to excel in a specific task, whether it's playing a mind-boggling game of chess, translating languages fluently, or even driving a car autonomously. Now you might wonder, how does it accomplish these feats? The secret sauce is machine learning. Machine learning is like a school for computers, where they learn without being explicitly programmed. This means they can adapt to new information, learning from experience and improving over time. Consider a language translation algorithm. It starts off knowing nothing, but as it translates more and more sentences, it gets better and better. It learns from its mistakes, and over time, it becomes a polyglot. So, narrow AI is like a specialist, excelling in one specific area. But what about more versatile AI? Imagine an AI that can perform any task a human can. That's the concept of general AI. This hypothetical AI is not limited to a specific task, but can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of activities. It would essentially mirror human intelligence in its flexibility and adaptability. Now let's take it a step further. Suppose an AI surpasses human intellect in all respects, from creativity, general wisdom, to problem solving. That's what we call artificial superintelligence. It's the stuff of science fiction, an entity that could outthink us, outcreate us, and outdo us in every conceivable way. These ideas, general AI and artificial superintelligence, are still largely theoretical. No existing AI has reached these levels of capability, but they represent a future we might see, a future that could redefine our relationship with technology. While these AIs are still a product of our imagination, their potential is fascinating. Now let's delve into how AI learns. Learning is key for AI systems, and they can learn through various methods such as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Let's start with supervised learning. Picture a child learning to identify animals. You show them a picture of a dog and say, "This is a dog." You repeat this with different animals until the child can correctly identify them. Supervised learning works in a similar way. The AI system is presented with labeled data. That's like the pictures of animals with their names. The system makes predictions based on this data, and over time, it becomes more accurate. Then we have unsupervised learning. Imagine you have a box of assorted toys, but no labels for them. You might start sorting them by color, size, or shape. That's what unsupervised learning does. The AI system is given unlabeled data, and it has to find patterns and relationships within it. For instance, an AI could analyze a customer's purchase history and group similar customers together. Lastly, there's reinforcement learning. This is like training a dog to fetch. You throw the ball, and when the dog brings it back, you give it a treat. The dog learns to associate fetching the ball with getting a treat. Similarly, in reinforcement learning, an AI system interacts with its environment and learns from the consequences of its actions. For example, a robot could learn to walk by receiving a reward when it takes a step and a penalty when it falls over. These learning methods enable AI to evolve and improve, opening doors to countless applications. From healthcare to transportation, AI is making waves in numerous sectors. In the realm of healthcare, it's helping to develop new drugs and treatments, diagnose diseases, and provide personalized care to patients. When we talk about finance, AI is there too, detecting fraud, managing risk, and making investment decisions. In manufacturing, AI is the unseen force that automates tasks, improves product quality, and optimizes production lines. And who can overlook transportation? Thanks to AI, we're witnessing the development of self-driving cars, optimization of traffic flow, and improved safety measures. Even in customer service, AI is a game changer, answering customer queries, providing support, and personalizing the customer experience. In conclusion, AI is not just a fleeting trend. It's a rapidly evolving field with the potential to transform our world. As we continue to harness its power, who knows what the future holds?